it's Martine. I'm just jumping on to let you know we've had a lot of requests for another sale. So we're doing a 50% off sale. As you can see here, you can see the 50% off. It's just for 2 days. Pop in, grab what you need. Our journals are here. Probably just wanted to mention that the bundles and the journals, great value right now with 50% off. As you can see, they're already heavily discounted, just to sort of help you guys out, give you what you need. But the prompted journals are really a great place to start if you're wanting to journal. This is a 365-day journal, which has got all the days of the year. I'm currently working on all the 2024 stock, and as you can see here, if you're looking for the planners for next year, we've got the 2024 monthly, the 2024 weekly, and I've just done the light mode 2024. I'm just working on the dark mode 2024 right now. And then, of course, the future license will be up where you can you can purchase that product and you can get all the future planners that we make as well. Obviously, you can go over the page and look at all the other stuff. We've got a lot of sleep screens, and we custom make sleep screens and also one-page templates for you. I'm also currently working on a course right now to teach you how to make your own templates. So watch out for that. Anyway, over here, GoodNotes, we're also all of our GoodNotes stock is on sale, and our OneNote journals, which one of my next projects is to populate more OneNote products. But I don't know, there's always so many things to do. All right, so just wanted to let you guys know that 50% off right now. Have fun with it. I will see you on the next video.